Go.
Okay, so our research project was on the Northwest Coniferous Forest, and that's what we're going to be talking about.
The coniferous forest is very tall and damp. It is a damp area. It exists because moisture-laden air from the Pacific Ocean becomes trapped along coastal mountains of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington. They're very similar. Boreal and coniferous forests are different from each other. They're found in broader ranges of latitudes and climates, and boreal forests are found in farther northern regions and are characterized by their dominance of evergreen conifers and mossy undergrowth. So boreal forest is a subtype of coniferous forest, but not the same. The climate of the Northwest Coniferous Forest is cool and moist. Cold winters and cool summers are caused by Arctic air masses and are typical of the coniferous forest. Moisture levels are maintained by summer rains and heavy winter snow. Locations include Oregon, Washington, North California, and British Columbia. And then we have Oregon, Washington, North California, and British Columbia.
So there are some biotic factors in the coniferous forest. Some animals that live in this forest are red crossbills. They usually take seeds for easy food access for their babies and for themselves. There's black bears, which the trees in the forest aid in predator resources and serve as shelter for them. Bobcats live there too. The dense foliage helps them sneak around easier, and it makes for a quieter hunt, so more prey gets caught. Red foxes, they tend to use bigger, more mature conifer plantations as resting sites, and they move into nearby open areas to hunt that are by their resting sites. There are some great gray owls, and the trees are really good for nesting since they're so clumped together and tall, and it's super misty in that area. And then there's martins, and they prefer coniferous forests for prey housing and protection. Some plants include evergreen trees, pine trees, redwood trees, cypress trees, and fir trees. All these trees are very tall standing, which create more of a canopy and shaded atmosphere in the biome, and that helps animals in hunting, shelter, and all these animals also thrive in cold weather as well as the plants. So you have a red crossbill, which its beak is crossed, that's why it's called a crossbill. You have black bears, a bobcat, red fox, owl, great gray owl, and a martin. And then there's the evergreen trees, which you see quite a bit in those coniferous forests. The pine trees again, redwood trees,